Trying to find my way. What's up, everyone? Today we're gonna go to SM Muntinlupa. Problem is, I am really lost. So yeah, so I'm really lost. Trying to find my way. So tama ba ito? Pupuntang MLK? Oo. Okay.
Wala kasing bubulog eh.
Sir?
Bubulog, hindi ko
Sir, tama ba? Pupuntang ML Quezon? Pupuntang ML Quezon po?
Dito. Kanan ka, tapos kaliwa.
Kaliwa, okay.
Tapos ini-skin ka dyan.
Yun na yun.
Kanan ka na lang dyan. Basta malapit na.
Thank you. Whoa. Okay, then he said go left. Go left? Okay. Oh my god. This is so stressful. Where am I?
Sa'yo.
Okay, I think this is the market. I don't even know what market this is. I think this is it. Oh. Okay. I think this one is it. Oh, it's so narrow. Whew. Come on. Now, if you didn't know, this is Taguig. Ironic that it looks like this. So yeah, ironic that it looks like this because Taguig is known for being a very rich city, but people always mistake it for BGC, which is Bonifacio Global City, which is inside Taguig, not Taguig itself. Otherwise, this is Taguig. Sorry guys, I know this is the second time I'm doing this type of walking thing, but I'm still not used to this. I think we made it. That should be it. Ah! Let me check my phone. Yeah, this is it. I just have to walk straight. I completely forgot to mention why we're going to Muntinlupa. Because we're gonna see a friend. Now this friend of ours opened up a business, so we're just going there to kind of support him. I did about 12,000 steps before I took a cab, and it'd be nice if I could walk the whole way to Muntinlupa. And what was I saying? Oh yeah, it'd be nice if we could walk all the way to Muntinlupa, but it was 25 kilometers. Again, 25 kilometers is not much in other countries, but you have to remember this is Philippines, and walking here is just crazy because first of all it's so hot. It's like I don't know, 33, 34 degrees Celsius. in Muntinlupa. So we'll just take a quick rest and then we'll go and meet our family. I have to admit I'm a little bit dizzy from the walking. I guess I'm still not used to it. So, oh well, we'll get there. Oh yeah, so to enter the mall, you have to wear a mask and a face shield. Otherwise they won't let you in. Kind of a weird rule, but whatever, you know. Let's go and meet them up.
Oh my god, man.
Hello.
What's up?
Hello. What is up, man?
Na wala pa po, hindi pa po nakapagsimula magluto para po sa plating po. Mamaya-maya pa po na.
Yung rice lang wala kayong rice na.
Rice pa? Meron po, pero mamaya pa po kasi hindi pa po dumadating yung plating po namin guys. So what's up, man?
I'm so tired.
You bike all the way here?
No, I walk.
You walk? You grew, man. Happened? What's up?
Okay naman.
This is your product, man. Really garlic. Later we will have some free days. You should try one. Some.
Oh, sige, sige.
Oh, Kuya Harvey. Armin.
Hello.
Harvey. Going to pose me?
Hmm?
You gonna pose me?
Ayaw mo? Ayaw mo?
It's okay, man. Does that have oja?
Hmm?
Does that have oja? Oh.